Pinadalhan tayo ng assorted goodies ng Lulis Bread and Delicacies from Guagua, Pampanga. Binaon namin yan sa staycation at ang unang-unang kating-kati silang ipabukas ay yung leche flan kasi matagal na raw nilang natikman to at alam nilang masarap. And actually, totoo naman, it's very rich and creamy. Kinabukasan, for breakfast, ipinaris ni Kuya sa kape itong kondol and pastillas hopia. And since pasado naman, then binaon nila yan sa biyahe pa uwi. Kay mama naman, etong yema cake. Very light, moist, and not too sweet. Ito yung mga tipo ng bread na hindi nakakaumay. Kahit ako nagustuhan ko yan. Isunod naman natin itong banana bread na maraming walnuts and chocolate chip. At ayan, pinaris ni Papa sa mainit na ramyun for breakfast and in fairness, panalo rin naman ito. Nakisabay na nga itong maliit na usually picky eater siya pero naubos niya yung isang malaking slice na yan. Pagdating ng hapon, minirienda naman ng dalawa itong choco crinkles. Classic merienda ng mga 90s kids. Actually, gusto ko rin sana itong itabi para maging snack ko for the rest of the week. Kaso nung biniro ko lang naman if they want to take it home, nako nag-yes agad. Ayan, hinanap agad yung takip, sinecure nila at ipinuslit na papasok sa bag nila. Nako, parang na-scam yata si tita dun ha. So kagabi na taste test at na-sharon na ni na kuya, ni na mama at ng mga bata yung ibang mga products. Eto na lang yung natitira today. First, there's ube ensaymada. It's big, it's fluffy, it's soft, you can see. Hindi siya overwhelmingly ube. Ito yung kanilang cheesy ensaymada. Kung gusto mo ng mga ensaymada na ano, yung hindi OA, yung classic lang, very simple, pero malambot yung bread. Ito yun. Brownies. They're so shiny, chewy, and it's moist. As you can see. Hindi siya nakakaumay. Ito yung bago nila sa market, Yema Tarts. And I love that it's individually packed. 10 pieces of this. That's how it looks like close up. Hindi masyadong matamis. It's not sticky. It's good. Okay itong pang pasalubong, pangregalo, or to enjoy at home. Ito yung page nila.